Hi, how are you? So, today I'm talking about my presentation, and the topic for my presentation is North Stradbroke Island. So, I would like to introduce with the first North Stradbroke Island. So, it is an island, it is a home to the Quandamuk people, approx around 2000 permanent resident. It is the second largest island in the world, which is 38 kilometer long and 11 kilometer wide. Here, tourism is the largest employer for the island, where 20% of island workforce is employed in the accommodation and food beverages services. This island is also marked by diversity of wildlife like koalas, dolphins, and kangaroos, frogs, and hundreds of bird species as well. And this island is also rich in native oil and fragrant jasmines. People over here also possess strong relationship between them and the island they reside. So in the next slide I would like to talk about, so this island is marked by slow paced and warm welcoming people. Here, I also noticed one thing, that according to Prism of Sustainability, cultural, institutional, ecological, economic aspects all should be considered to achieve the balance. There are so many activities also to do on this island. So, first we will talk about visitors to North Stradbroke Island. So I have saw so many surveys. So according to that, the number of visitors coming to this island was increased year by year before COVID came. So the total number of visitors visited North Stradbroke Island from 2009 till before COVID was maximum around 1 million. So it increased year by year. Most of the people visited this place with their friends and relatives. So there are so many things to do in North Stradbroke Island, like swimming, surfing, fishing, wildlife observation, beach walk, broad walk, scuba diving, and all other stuffs. But most of the people would love to do swimming over. I have noticed that most of people love to do swimming over there, surfing, scuba diving. I had gone with my friends, so they have done scuba diving. I'm just little bit scared of that, but I was just letting you know my experience. So they just told me that the coral sand in the scuba diving was just so awesome. So maybe I will do it next time. So I enjoy wildlife observation is the good thing over here, like so many kinds of bird species and the other creatures would love to see. Fishing is a good thing. So these kind of things also give a lots of relaxation to us. So overall it is a quite good experience for me to go in a North Stradbroke Island. So I have over I have went there on a Sunday. So I have done a little bit a short survey over there. So according to that, I have find that majority of visitors indicated that holiday was the main reason of them to go in the North Stradbroke Island. Minimum people just tell me that they just gone there for attending an event and for the education and research purpose. The result also indicated that there are many repeated visitations. Out of 50 people, 40 people are present over there who came there repeatedly. Reasons for visiting. The current visitors over there, I asked them, and they felt that North Stradbroke Island was a very good place to enjoy their holidays, to bring relaxation to their mind. The most common answer involved there was also social needs, relationship needs, self development, nature, and escape from other things as well. uh, People over there also, lots of their friends also told me the reasons for not visiting. There are some reasons that people not visited this island because of some state it's too expensive, lack of knowledge, because it's lack of knowledge they offer, like they just not even not sure what is there and here to do so. So this island needs more promotion. Too expensive because they think like it's expensive to go over there because it's off the road, so they have to take the ferry, and after that they have to come back. Their food and beverage cost over there as well. So these are the some common reasons why they are not just have been there. The most of the people, in the another slide I would like to talk about that most of the people had gone there who are from Queensland. Particularly from Queensland, people would love to go more there because it's nearby to them and it's a good place for them to enjoy far from their busy life. Seasonality. Vast range of accommodation services including hotel, bed, breakfast and camping sites are offered, and the maximum tourist visit this place is from May to December. So the peak season for this island is May to December. Most of the people would love to go there in this month, and this is the highest revenue time for this island to make a boom in this industry. So the next one is destination awareness. Potential visitors were asked if they had heard of. Only 8.6% of total respondents said that they have never heard of it. It might require awareness raising campaigns if visitors from other states are desired to visit. So, little bit destination awareness would be required for this island to make it more popular in the other states as well. The visitor experience. uh, in this slide I would like to talk about the visitor experience. So the accommodations preferences for the current and potential visitors were totally good. Like they were most common styles for most of the people prefer to stay there and take a accommodation over there so that they enjoy the mornings as well. Lots of activities over there as well to do, like as I have mentioned, scuba diving. They can do bird watching, shopping, bush walking, wildlife spotting. So it is a good place to enjoy over there and to go over there. I think everybody should go. And in the end I would like to say that this island needs some more advertisement to bring more tourists over here. That's it. Thank you.